Okay, guys, we've talked about the process a lot. We're going to do a little bit more too. Heads up. But when you're thinking about this, we need to talk. We need to have a consultation. And you're going to talk with me, you're going to talk with David, and I can promise you there's going to be no sales pitch involved.
We need to have, your vision, what you want to accomplish during this downsize process. Because if we don't clearly understand your goal, we can't meet your expectations.
No, and to be honest, I understand that I'm a real estate agent. The expectation is I'm a salesperson. Um, the reality is, I've never sold anything in my life. Full disclosure. My mama even sold the Girl Scout cookies for me. Yeah. So the way I see it is I'm a consultant. With my buyers, I'm going to listen to you. I'm going to figure out what it is that's most important to you.
Absolutely.
And then I'm going to help you accomplish that goal. To me, a salesperson is someone that talks another person into buying a product that you may not have wanted in the beginning. Yeah. Yes, which is why my Amazon delivery guy and I should basically be best of friends. Yes.
We may tell you things that you may not want to hear that we've encountered with other clients, to avoid pitfalls and to end up in a situation that might not be, the best outcome for you. It's not a sales pitch. It's simply a consultation and just letting you know the hazards or the challenges that could face us.
Yes. And, when it comes time to sell your house, I'm going to market it. I'm going to make sure that I'm doing everything I can to attract a buyer who's willing to make you an offer that you're comfortable with and that we can get it sold for the highest price in the shortest amount of time. But again, I'm a marketing expert with my listings and I'm a consultant to my buyers. That way, I'm not talking you into anything. I'm not pushing you. I'm not trying to get you to buy. I don't even know what's coming in my cart next from Amazon. My son asks all the time, Mom, what's this? I don't know. We have to open and figure it out. Yeah, it's a problem. But again, and that's why I keep the two worlds separate. Someone who's a salesman talks you into doing something or buying something you don't want to do. Think about these vacation clubs. You go on vacation, they're like, oh, can we talk to you for a minute? And if you listen to us, you can have free dinner on us. You know good and well you're going to get the sales pitch of epic sales pitch on why you need to join that. And by the time you walk out of there, you're signing a contract.
Yeah. You don't get the dessert until you sign the contract.
Yeah, no. We're not going to do that to you. Guarantee, pinky swear, whatever it needs. So give us a call and let us help you with this process without being pushy. Okay? Promise. All right, bye guys. Till next time.
Talk to you soon.